It's Sunday night and it's time to make some rice for the week. But today we're going to boost it up with my favorite type to make. We are going to be making radish rice. I like to store my rice in the fridge just because. And I'm going to be making 2 cups of rice today. Hopefully this will last me the week. We have to give it a nice rinse, about like 2 to 3 times. And then make sure to always save the rice water. I'm gonna let this sit for a few hours. I already have my rice water, and now let's cut up the radishes. I don't cook too often, but if there's one thing that I always keep in my fridge, it is radishes. And we're all about like green juice is so good for a detox, but did you know that radishes are actually even better for the natural detox for your body? That's why like Koreans have this in all kinds of forms, and I like to just do it the easiest way, which is by just putting it in the rice cooker. It's 11 p.m. I let my rice soak for 3 hours. This is something that my mom always does and says it really changes the quality of the rice. And since we're going to be putting in all this radish, I don't use all 2 cups of water, but a bit less, so like 1.5, because the radish is naturally going to produce more water as it cooks. It's basically like half rice, half radish, but we are going to let this cook overnight. It's the next morning. Are you guys ready? This is the first reveal. Ooh! Gotta steam my face a little bit and just smell this. It smells so good.